Nuvo Wi-Fi system configuration. From the Google Play Store for the Android devices and from the iTunes Store for the Apple ones, download the app Nuvo Player. Now we are ready to install the product. Start to connect the gateway that it creates the Nuvo Wi-Fi network. Insert a LAN cable that arrives from the ADSL domestic router and finally the power cable. Now the gateway gets an IP address and the blue LED stops to blink. Now we connect an amplifier. The LED first blinks white, then after 40 seconds became green and solid. Now it links to the dedicated Wi-Fi and it gets an IP address. Please wait about 40 seconds. Note the acquisition phase is faster if you use a wired connection. We are now ready to configure the system. Now the gateway and the amplifier are getting a Wi-Fi connection. Note, they take about 40 seconds to establish a link. Configuration done. Now we can play music.
Turn off the light.